So in general, we'll have a drop down of the data. So the drop down of the data will normally come from the single table. So we have done it in such a way that we get it from the single table. So in general, if you see this, in general, if you see this data for this, there is a drop down for this, and this drop down is something which we got it from a single table. But if you want it to be coming from two different tables, we have to maintain the help you. So here if you see, the first and second column are from one table, and third and fourth are from another table. This is what we want now. So let us now maintain such a just a similar drop down for the country. In the country, we want that in the drop down we want four fields, in which two fields are from another table and two fields are from this table. So how do we do that is what we'll see now. So for this, we have to first and foremost is we have to go ahead and create a help view. So for creating a help view, we need to go into the S11 transaction, and here we just need to select this view, and then we have to go for this set VIP help. So I'll go for C help, country help, and then create, and we are creating a view, the main help view here. Select OK, and now we are joining two tables. Here we'll join the first table would be the secondary table, and then once we do that and click on relationships, if at all if we have a foreign key relation with the primary table, if there is a primary table for this, the value table, then we'll get that automatically. So then we have to go for the view fields, and in the view fields we'll select the number of fields that we want. The customer number happens to be from the first table, and that's a common field. So I'll go for the ZMAT field data, in which I'll be going ahead with the material purchased. Say OK, and we have second table, from which we want the country and city and customer name as well. So we want all these things. So we are getting the data from two different tables actually. So these two different tables, we have customer number, custom material purchased from the first table, I mean the second table actually, and the primary table will have customer name, city and country. So in this way I'll just activate this. Okay, we'll just say okay. Now that we have done it, we have done this help view. Now we have to go back and create a help view, search help. Now we'll create it as C help. Now instead of in the search help, instead of giving that the table name, we'll be giving this view name there, so that the data will come from both the tables. Create elementary search help, that's fine. So we'll go ahead with country help, and then we'll go ahead with that search help name here. And once we give the search help name, we can see the field names here. We have customer number, we have material purchased, customer name, city, and the last one would be the country. Save and activate. Okay, now the first step was creating a help view. The second step is to maintain these all values here. I mean like the values in the search help. So first we created a help view. Now we are maintaining the search help here. Once we are done with this, we're just giving the positioning of the data. So once we have done this, activate. Okay, so once we have activated, this is done. So we have created a search help now. and this search help is something which we need to assign it to the assign it to that particular field. The field name happens to be country. So let me double click on the country and let me go to the further characteristics, click on display change, and here we need to give the help view name, and here we need to give the name of the field called country. Okay, let me check the field name there. CONTRY. Okay, country COUNTRY. Okay, so we need to make that an export parameter, right? So here we didn't give any import or export parameters. So what we need to do is we need to go back and do this as import. This country should be import parameter. What field for which we are maintaining it should be import parameter, and rest of all the things will be export parameters. Active, done this, and now I think we can use it here. Okay, so this we are done. Save it, syntax check, activate. Now it's done. Once this is maintained, we can go back and check the F4 help for that particular field country. So in this, if we see, we will get this three. The first two fields are coming from the first table, and the second two fields are coming from the second table. In this way, in the help, we can get multiple number of tables values into a single string. This is what we can do uh, in a help request. So help view, we created a help view and we have added that help view in the search help. So this is the significance of help view. In this way, we can use the help view.